raised over $23,000 for the Stoneman Theater and Little League, thanks to the generous donation of Business Coffee Associates, which makes this their #1 fundraising event. This guest is a Vietnam veteran and a recently retired communications analyst. Here to go on behalf of Monica Motor Business Coffee Solutions, please welcome Mike Canterbury. Our next guest hails from Coventry, Rhode Island. He is the regional sales manager for J&J Sanders, home of the Super Wrestling. Please welcome Jack Ellison, accompanied by his 7-year-old son Zachary. Zachary will go on behalf of his father.
Who's he pitching to? I can't see where it's going. Oh, okay.
All right, Matt and Zachary, let's see a pitch.
Yay!
Thank you, Mike and Zachary.
Did you see him? He just put his arm around me. Did you get a picture of it?
No.
That guy. Yeah, what's he called?
Wally.
And now we ask that you please rise and remove your caps. Yesterday morning, a tragic shooting at a Sikh temple in Wisconsin claimed the lives of 6 people and wounded 3 others.
Good job.
Our deepest sympathies go to the families of those whose lives were lost, and we send our best
Good job.
wishes for a full recovery to the injured.